plenty of time to get out there. Today, though, it's going to be clear driving weather if you do head south, right, Max?
Yeah, for most of the day, but guess what? Another round of light snow in the forecast before we get to the weekend. It's also noticeably colder than it's been all week, so you want those winter layers. But not for long. We'll thaw out as temps climb considerably this weekend. Here's the update for what you can expect over the next several days. Temps today at low 20s with light snow developing around or soon after the evening commute. Will be seasonal on Saturday with lots of sunshine, jumping into the mid-30s. That's our average high for this time of year, in fact. We don't stop there. Low 40s on the way by Sunday with sunshine continuing. As for conditions this morning, you'll certainly want to bundle up. It's 6 in Baraboo, but it feels like -3 when you factor in a light wind coming out of the northwest. -4 in Camp Douglas, wind chill -18. That's the cold spot. Janesville at 16, wind chill of 7. It's 11 in Madtown, but it feels like 0. This afternoon, we'll get to the low 20s, wind chills mid-upper teens. And as we get later into the afternoon, clouds will win out. So we're a little sunny this morning, but not for much longer. Later this afternoon and evening, here we are by around 5:30. Soonest chance for a few flakes to fly around the tri-state region first. So it looks like Darlington, down towards Apple River, out towards Platteville and Dubuque get in on the activity initially, and that'll move through the rest of the region, reaching Madison around 8 to 9 o'clock, exiting to the northeast by around 2 or 3 early in the morning on Saturday, and then we're dry for the rest of the weekend. Here we are Saturday afternoon, mid-30s with the wind kicking up out of the south, causing our temps to climb, combined with the sunny setup. And then we'll have low 40s with sunshine continuing on Sunday. By Sunday night, we could be talking about another storm system, hopefully only bringing us rain, but there is a chance for some frozen precipitation in there as well. Speaking of which, here's that round of light snow arriving tonight. Looks like an inch possible in the Dells and areas north, but elsewhere it looks like less than an inch, so likely no one has to shovel, but still, most are probably getting a little tired of all the snow. There's still a little more snow to track even this morning here at 6:17. Showing a couple little flurries in Jefferson, approaching Ixonia, Concord, Sullivan, south towards Elkhorn. That's exiting towards the state line. So not a big deal, but still, again, the tail end of our storm system still lingering for our region. There's our next round of snow moving into southern Iowa, eastern Nebraska. That'll head our way. Fizzling initially as high pressure moves in today, but it'll regenerate ahead of this warm front that'll lift into southern Wisconsin, causing our temps to climb as we head into the weekend. High pressure for our weekend time frame means that we will be sunny, we will be dry until Sunday night. Mainly rain, but north of Dane County into central Wisconsin, there is a chance for some freezing drizzle or for some freezing rain with the initial round, and then maybe changing over to snow on the cold side of the system. It's just really a question mark of how far north does this warm front get. If it gets farther north, we'll all just see rain. If this low is a little farther south, we could be talking more about a mix to snow again as we get the start of next work week going before drying off by Tuesday. Your recap: low 20s today with increasing clouds. Light snow developing this evening, wrapping up a little after midnight with temps in the teens, generally less than an inch for most of the region. Mid-30s tomorrow, warming up quickly. That's fairly seasonal for this time of year. 7-day forecast, low 40s on Sunday, and then there's that rain mix looking likely now Sunday night into Monday. We'll track that through the weekend, so stick with us here to talk more about precipitation types for your exact community. And then we thaw out in the mid-40s Tuesday before more light snow chances Wednesday, and yep, even next Thursday.